Here's a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.